Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to be trying the new polygel kit called Brave Inside. Don't forget, subscribe if you're new, click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos, and you can follow me on Instagram at Baby Girl Nails. Alright, so here's the packaging, and of course it comes with your instruction manual, your dual forms, and I kind of liked how they put these dual forms together. They're all connected. Really nice. So you got your top and base coat. And what's nice about this kit is you also get the 30 ml bottles and not the smaller ones. And right here I'm showing the ingredients. You get 4 different colors: translucent pink, dark pink, light pink, and clear, or natural. I'm sorry, I think it's a natural clear. Yeah. You get your file. Oh, this is a buffer. Sorry guys, and a file, and of course your brush spatula. This is a really nice large brush too. I like it. We're also going to be using the ENC Extreme Tapered Coffin XXL. I'm going to go in with my ENC primer and prime all of the tips. I'm also using MVP Nail Designs Chameleon Glitters, and those are the 3 that I'm using: Juliet, Luna, and Nebula. I have already prepped my nails. You guys know how to do it. Dehydrate, prime, go in with your base coat. After you have applied your base, you're going to go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds in your lamp. Okay, so here we go with the swatching. Now this is more of a simple polygel kit because you're getting, of course, three pinks and 1 clear. So it's more on the simple side if you like pinks. They are very pretty colors. It was very easy to work with. I did really like the polygel. It was right up there with the McCart polygel. It wasn't very sticky, very easy to maneuver and manipulate. So right here, I'm just putting all the 3 glitters on in my little container. That way it's easy for me to pick them up when I'm ready for them. So as you can see, they are so pretty. So go check out her website, www.mvpnaildesigns.com. I'm going to go ahead and put some of the base gel in my little container so I can use it as a slip solution. And I'm going in with a little liner, and I'm going to add the base gel to the underside of the tips and make them like little raindrops. And then I flash cure in between so they don't slide around on the nail. And I do it underside the entire nail from cuticle to free edge. Just like that. And then I go ahead and do this with all of the nails. Alright, I'm going to go in with Social Claws Luminara Aurora Pigment. This is such a beautiful pigment, you guys. And I just rub it on top of those little raindrops that I did, just to kind of give it like a glow. And I rub it in, and then I wipe it down with the brush to make sure there's no flying pigment. And this stuff went everywhere, literally. It flew all over the place. But I thought it gave it a nice, like, just like an extra added bonus. It was just really, really pretty. So I'm just scrubbing it in there, and inside the nail tip over those little raindrops, I guess you could call it. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with the dark pink, I believe, polygel. And as you can see, I'm putting it from the tip to about the center, and then I'm going to flash cure that. And then I will go in with the polygel to the cuticle area. Smooth that out. Make sure it's not too thick by the cuticle or you're going to have it gushing everywhere. And then apply it at a 45-degree angle onto your natural nail plate. And then once you can actually see the polygel kind of creep up to your free edge. Once it gets there, you're going to cure that. Make sure you have nothing underneath that's swishing out. If you do, take a brush and flatten that before you cure it. Alright, and now I'm just going to go in again. This time I'm going to go in with my base coat at the free edge to the center of the nail, and I'm going to apply the chameleon glitters. And I do that with the rest of the nails. Flash curing in between so the glitter doesn't go anywhere when I put the polygel on. So again, you're going in with the base coat, and I'm using a hefty amount of base. And I think that looks really good. So then flash cure that, set that aside, and continue on with the rest of the nails until I'm finished with the glitter. Okay, now it's time to add some more polygel. Alright, so here we go with the rest of the polygel application. This one is the translucent pink. So guys, I don't know if I mentioned this at the beginning of the video. I did post this is $17.99 on Amazon. If you like the kit, I will leave all the links down below. Now the clear didn't seem like really, really clear. It had more of a cloudiness to it. but again, very easy, very, very easy to work with. I had no issues at all, no stickiness, nothing. Very, very easy to apply. And there we go. We got one more to go. We're going to use the translucent pink again. So I'm going to do my filing, buffing, shaping off camera. Don't forget, guys, also do a full cure at the end of your application. Alright, so now I go in with the Yogi gel glue, and I put that near my cuticle area and apply some rhinestones from AliExpress. And look how the raindrops come through on these nails. I loved it. I thought that was a brilliant idea. I just wanted to try it, see how it would work. And I think it turned out really nice. And I do gotta say, I do really like this glue gel. You can get it from Yogi. I do have my discount code below for Yogi if you're interested. It has a very nice applicator brush that you can apply the glue gel with. And this one, it was just driving me nuts. I couldn't get it right. Driving me nuts. So then, of course, I'm going to flash cure that in place until I'm ready for the top coat. And then continue on with the rhinestones. Alright, so this kit did not come with a matte top coat, so I used my ENC Couture's Velvet Matte Top Coat, because I figured, why not, you know. I thought this would look really good with a matte instead of it being shiny, so we're going to go in with a coat of matte top coat. I'm going to flash cure in between, that way it's not running everywhere. And then I will do a full 60-second cure at the end. I'm going to go in with Loved by Birdie's Cuticle Oil. You guys can get you some of that at www.lovedbybirdie.com. Guys, let me know what you thought of this look down below in a comment section. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. I have a lot more people watching me that are not subscribed. And all it takes is just a second and it's free. So definitely go check out this Brave Inside Polygel Kit if you are interested, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. I'll see you in my next video. God bless. Bye, guys. Love ya.